My name is Dominika Pipowska. Today I will present my proposal, which is a piece of furnishing as a part of CoLab module, particularly Hall of Innovation project. In our brief, we were given one piece of plywood sheet and one unconventional material. We had to create our own client, and then with collaboration with different participants, we had to create a piece of furnishing. Each one of us was paired with at least one American student, which gave us an opportunity to collaborate, give each other feedback, and help evolve our design. We also collaborated with different tutors across the entire university through Messenger, later Microsoft Teams, and a Facebook group where we would upload our pictures of our work and give each other's feedbacks. I've personally collaborated with multiple people. I get feedback from my tutors during the tutorials and on a Facebook group. I also collaborated with different colleagues from my class, also during the tutorials and on a Facebook would give each other feedbacks. But most importantly, the whole module gave me amazing opportunity to collaborate someone with another university, Merritt University, in the United States of America. My partner's name was Paige, and we mostly communicated through the messenger. We would send each other pictures of our sketches, of the models, give each other feedback, what we think, and what should be our next step in the project. To create a client, I've chosen a real person, my friend Harley Cole. She just graduated Worcester University. She was studying fine arts. Now she moved to Bristol to be a graphic designer. She moved into a nice apartment with two of her friends. She's single, she has no pets. She loves art, traveling, and music. She also owns a vinyl recorder because she values the retro sound of the record. She likes bright and open spaces as well as the contrasting colors. She loves Oriental accents. She's a very bubbly and chatty person, open-minded and not scared of challenges. She has a lot of time for her family friends as well. What she needs, it might be some small piece of furniture, maybe laptop stand, maybe something to help her to organize her space. It should be something original and matching her interests. Our next task was to look into unconventional materials. I looked into different ones. I looked into cork, cardboard, tires, old CDs, old cassettes, old vinyls, lots of different options. I tried to find something that would match her interest, and I've decided for the old vinyl records, mostly because she absolutely loves them. Also, there's a strong connection between vinyls and her personality and what she owns as well. Once I have chosen material and the type of furnishing, it was time to research in detail how the lamp is actually built and what connections are available. So I've explored all of those through different sketches. I've explored how the lamp socket is built. I've explored different type of joinery, as well as different ways to make cable or wire a design feature as well as just a part of the lamp. I also designed how I explored how I can make the design more adjustable, and I've decided that basically the shoulder arm can be slightly moved so you can adjust the height whatever you like. Then it was time to explore in detail the physical properties of the actual vinyl. So I've just basically manipulated the shape of the vinyl record through melting it slightly in the oven, and then that gave me the final output. Thanks to digital and physical model, I could move forward with more technical decisions like how thick the plywood should be, how the bottom of the laptop should look like, what would make my design more attractive. And all of those things led me to the final outcome, which was our lamp. One of the main features of the design is of course the vinyl lampshade, which can be different shapes depending from the customer, depending from the lag. The colors can be different. It can all be really customized, as well as the color of the actual wire. It can be customized. It could be pre-ordered. It can be red. It can be blue. What is very unique about the lamp is as well all of the channels going through it, through the arm as well as the bottom. So it helps to keep the cable in place without laying it all over the place, as well as it is a design feature. The whole design was created to match my client's needs, personality, as well as interest. So it's a bit quirky, a bit different, which is basically all of like a Harley my client is. From the technical point of view, the lamp would be really easy to build by anyone. Essentially, what you have to do is connect the longer arm to the bottom, the bigger bottom, with the brackets and set of screws. Then you have to connect the smaller bottom for the extra support. And then the next step would be connecting the smaller adjustable arm to the bigger arm of the lamp, thanks to set of bolts and wing nut. Then at the end, the only thing you would have to do is make sure that the vinyl record has 2 extra set of holes apart from the middle one which comes with the vinyl. And basically the size of the hole, it would depend from different type of lamp socket order with the lamp. And then the only thing you just have to connect to both of those, put the wire through the channels, and that's basically it. So as you can see, the lamp could be really easily built by anyone. The instructions are quite simple. They're all noted here. It's basically the 5 steps, and all of the things coming with the lamp, they're nicely described with all of the measurements needed.